We're going to be talking about your task card in Workamajig. And your task card is in your Today area for the creative team members. Your task card is where you'd have all the different information about each of the tasks that have been assigned to you. You'll notice I have a variety of task cards on my screen. Each one is going to let me know the task on the project, what task I'm working on, what service I'm providing to it, when it's due, how much time I've been allocated, and if I've already been working on it, what do I have remaining? It's also always going to alert me if there's been any new updates. If there's any kind of scheduling conflicts, you'll see a red schedule letting you know. In this case, the predecessor hasn't been completed, so probably not a great idea to start working on that yet. Anytime I need more information, I simply drill into the task, and that will get me right into the project itself. There's different details in the project I might need. There might be spec sheets, which is where we oftentimes see brief type information. There's going to be a place for files, all the different files that you're working on. There might be a to-do list, and your to-do list might just be a simple checklist of things you're supposed to accomplish, or they might have come from a digital review and people making comments of things that I need to change. And of course, conversations. We need to communicate with each other, and the communication tool in Workamajig makes sure that we can do so, but also keep track of those communications later if we need them. So once you've completed your task, either for the day or in its entirety, don't forget, go back to your task card and log your time. It's very important, it's very easy, and it makes sure that we're all on track with the status of the schedule and making sure we're in budget.